I guess I'm just too tough to cry.
I'm headed.
That's something your mum doesn't know. Yeah.
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
Get the fuck off my porch! Get your ass off this.
What do you guys want to watch? Family Guy?
No, not Family Guy. Honestly, I just don't like it. I hate the baby with the big ass head. He's right behind me, isn't he?
I ran the streets since I was young. Streets killed me. My heart literally stopped and all.
So wake me up when it's
It's okay.
It's not okay though. It's not. You know, on Roblox.
Está escribiendo otra vez, está escribiendo otra vez, está escribiendo otra vez. Es una loca. Qué fuerte, güey. No mames.
Oh no. But it looks kind of cool though. It didn't work. Because it failed.
На тебе жук сидит, смотри.
I got the loudest coffee maker in the world. Watch how loud this shit is.
Did you feed your grandma Play-Doh? How many times did I have to
Pulled you over?
Because I'm black?
Yeah. No. Your wife fell out of the car about a mile back.
No wonder it was so quiet.
I've been stung by a wasp! I'm dying!
Videos that prove your sense of humor is broken. Part 20.
if you can be right.
Uy.
When the imposter is up.
Oh my god!
White people be like,
Saya baru beli gini dari Aka. Sitting here, fuck off. That's creepy as fuck, man. It's not even funny.
Ooh. So excited if this will work. Ah! It's sizzling. Ew! This is not working. Oh my god, it's stained. Disgusting. my god.
So what I need you to do right now is I'm not real comfortable with you being in this place.
Good.
So I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Good.
I'm gonna back up.
Back up. Right all the way to your desk.
No, I will not do it. Would you please call security? Call or this is threatening behavior. We need an officer in here.
You dare to humiliate me. You think you can do that?
Are you kidding me?
No, no, don't touch me there, is what I told my uncle, but he didn't seem to care. It's my secret little spot, and I don't want to share. No, no, don't touch me there. So tell that creepy guy who always hangs around your school that all they need to know is this one simple rule. It's no, no, don't touch me there. Gross old hands on my no square.
Oh my god. What happened to you?
No, square.
You're a baby no. You're f***ing adorable. Holy f***. I want to strangle you in your crib.
No.
Oh my god, I can't deal with how adorable you are. I just want to f***ing drown you in a tub.
No, don't touch me there. That is my no square. No, don't touch me there. That is my no square.
Why are you so fucking ugly, bro?
Just a couple of guys.
We're just vibing, bro. Alright, where's your girl voice? Show me your girl voice, let's go.
I can't do a fucking girl voice.
Dude, come on.
Dude, I bet you can't even do a girl voice.
I can do definitely a girl voice, but how about you?
Chill, why the fuck got the light on me, bro? Chill, I'm black. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, man, this shit on myself. Oh, goddamn. Why you yelling at me? It's fucked up. Oh, she throwing desk and shit. Hey, y'all look sweet, though. I'm proud. Hey, you look like somebody off Call of Duty. I ain't even gonna cap. Call of Duty. Don't he look like somebody off Call of Duty, yeah?
Quiet down and listen. We're trying to figure stuff out. We can't do that.
Denzel Washington, hey, what's up, bro? Give me some, thug. I loved you an Equalizer too. This my nigga Denzel. You already know what it is. Paul Blart in the back and shit. Posted. Came from the mall, cop to the hit cop. Yeah.
Oh, my guy's gonna get you. Oh, you got him. No, you missed. How did I miss? I literally hit him. No, I dodged it. How did you dodge? Now I'm flying away. Okay, well, I'm gonna catch you. No, your guy can't fly. Why the fuck not? He literally has wings. No, they're broken. How are they fucking broken? How's your guy flying? He doesn't even have wings. They're invisible. This is fucking bullshit. I'm getting in my getaway car. You can't catch me. Watch me, okay? I'm getting in mine too. No, mine's faster. How the fuck is yours faster? You have a Ford Focus Hot Wheels. I'm in the goddamn Batmobile. It has boosters. Oh, how can I forget? Your guy just died. How? He had a heart attack. What the fuck even is this? You gotta pick a new guy now. You can be Aquaman. I don't want to be fucking Aquaman. Yo, no, let me be Iron Man. No, I'm Iron Man. I thought you were Spider-Man. I'm both of them. Dude, this is crap. This is fucking crap. Can you make me macaroni?
Wow. Frank, what are you doing? Yo, how's it been, my boy?
It's been crazy.
Yo, you see that plane?
Oh my god, dude, that party was so... Oh, I almost just kicked that rock. I'm not gonna fall.
Leah, gingerbread house looking good. I like the gumdrop roof. And Andrew's still finishing up.
Money, please shut up.
My dog stepped on a bee. Objection relevance.
2, 1, let it rip. Oh, shoot, Digga. Digga.
You nervous?
A little bit.
Rate your ex 1 through 10.
Looks?
Yeah.
8.5.
What do you think she would rate you?
5, 6. I don't know.
Who broke up with who?
She dumped me.
Do you miss her still?
Yeah. I thought I was gonna marry her.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Have you moved on?
No.
Why did you break up?
I think we wanted different things. You can't change what someone wants.
What's your favorite memory with her?
Cuddling, watching movies. I remember when she left, I never felt my bed that cold and empty.
What would you tell her if she was here right now?
I love you. I miss you.
Is this making you reconsider the breakup?
I think about you all the time.
Yeah, kinda.
Wanna go talk to him?
And I wish we could be together.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Great.
Whoa.
I didn't know that's how you felt.
I don't usually do this, but
For a while, at first I didn't with First I didn't. Wham! Then I started to do that. Yeah, that's correct. No, the way to get... I'm gonna put some dirt in your eye.
It's okay. Oh, don't look at it. Oh.
It's so pretty, and the girl has such pretty hair. Oh no! So mad.
Madison! Are you kidding me?
Send me that email. I'm just gonna step in. Oh! Are you kidding me? Sorry.
Tina?
No, I ordered a latte.
Bruh. Bruh.
da da da.